Hello and welcome to ForexMansion.com's review of ALPARI. And as you can see, I am on the ALPARI US website. There is an ALPARI UK as well that's really well known and large. Because of that, your mileage may vary on some of the variables in this review. For example, the leverage, of course, is 50 to 1 and 20 to 1 for the miners in the United States, and as such, it will be different if you are applying for an ALPARI account in the EU, for example. Your leverage will be much higher, as much as 200 to 1 or even 400 to 1, depending on the country. Because of that, there will be some minor differences, but having said all that, the basics of ALPARI will be as follows. You can see that the site is very well laid out. We have, it's a dealer, so that's the first thing you should know. Um, they are regulatory compliant, and you can click on the compliance, and they are regulated through the CFTC and the NFA in the United States, as well as the FSA in the UK. So no worries there. They are regulated both the United States and the United Kingdom. Um, they are well capitalized. They are one of the larger firms out there, probably in the top 15 worldwide. Customer support is pretty good. The first option you have, of course, is live chat, and because of that, that's the quickest way. There is a phone number. You have to do a little digging on the website, but there is a phone number that you can call. There's also um, phone trading, so you can call and actually place an order. Looking at depositing funds, you can see if you're in the United States, you can shoot it directly to Bank of America, which is their holding bank. You can use credit card, PayPal, bank wire, and check. Internationals work the same way as well. It's just a different account that you have to send it to. So because of that, you can see that it's pretty easy to deposit. Withdrawals just work in reverse, um, all of which are available. All you have to do is ask and specify what type of withdrawal you would like to have sent to you. And this is a brokerage firm that has variable spreads, so they're not fixed spreads, and that's going to be pretty good for general trading conditions. It'll keep spreads really tight, and in fact, it's some of the tightest non-ECN spreads that you'll find out there. They are pretty good, actually. For example, cable will often be 2 pips, and for those of you who trade pound dollar, that's pretty tight. Actually, there's a lot of even most variable spread brokers are going to charge you 3.5. So that's pretty good. There's a couple different account types. There is the regular mini account, and then there's a professional account. Um, the professional account takes 10 grand to open. It does offer slightly tighter spreads. It's more of an ECN like network. Um, the website does have various kind of value added type things where you got trading tools and education, live market commentary, the Alpari Squawk, Auto Chartist, which many of you will recognize as that add-on for MetaTrader 4 that'll point out, pendants. There you go. There's a good thing of it, like a pendant or a rising wedge and stuff. Um, and there's a VPS hosting service. One of the neatest things about this is actually that they allow you to trade FX options. So that's something that's a little bit more expandable for those of you who've only been trading spot. Right, you can see you can click on this is the technical reports. You need password and name, of course, and then they will send you or they will let you access um, technical analysis by pros. So that's pretty good as well. Um, and you'll find that it's a good site. It's got some pretty decent pretty decent, stuff on the site. You can see that there's a video uh, that will actually show you what's going on in the day, and it's market commentary. So it's pretty good stuff. And in front of you is the MetaTrader 4 platform that most of you should be very familiar with. It is the middle of Asian trading, but something that I found very interesting was even during the middle of Asian trading, we have a 2 pip spread with 2.1 pip spread. Pretty tight on cable, really, for Asian session. Works the same way as any other MetaTrader. You just right click on sell. You can go through, you can find other charts, pound Swiss, for example, and has all of the indicators that you would expect with MetaTrader 4. Has the ability to run expert advisors as well. So because of this, the MetaTrader 4 is probably the preferred platform, as the ALPARI Direct and ALPARI Direct Pro are decent for kind of keeping an eye on positions. But truthfully, they are not going to be as robust as the MetaTrader 4 platform, and it really is tough to kind of top MetaTrader 4. It's just such an industry standard that most traders that join up with Alpari, of course, are going to use it. But all things being equal, Alpari is a very strong and well-financed international broker with really good spreads. So having said that, most FX traders will feel at home, especially the fact that they can trade FX options through this company. It kind of opens up some new possibilities, really. So it's a very interesting, very exciting company to work with, and most of you, like I said, would be very comfortable with this well-known and worldwide broker.